pretty basic, simple menu system, and I like that. I'm in. I can understand everything. That's good. It's not like I gotta like recap. Let's recap everything. Oh, okay. We have nothing left. Okay, that's good. Co-op versus custom, competitive. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Placement matches. Okay, I like that. All right, let's go. The Talking Marmot, thank you. Party Next Door, welcome back, 15 months. Viet9 Snake, 13 months. Talking Marmot has gifted 5 subs. Can we get some firm handshakes? Schultz and stuff. $50 donation. Mars is illuminating amazingly red this time in August towards the south. It literally looks like a space, like something just hovering right there in the sky. In a few weeks, Mars won't be this red in the night sky. Oh, and you're the best. Thank you for the entertainment. Man, I got that...
What's up, gentlemen? Oh shit, right out of the sky. Sky's up, bam.
I don't like that.
No, I don't think it is.
What's that?
Well, obviously you're fucking retarded.
What's going on, guys?
Well, yeah. Oh, okay. Finally happy again. Finally a reason to live.
Hey, enemy at me! You just lost me!
Go, 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 go!
Okay, we're capturing C!
Am I out of breath or something? Okay.
Good fucking round.
Yeah! Fuck yeah!
Yeah, fuck yeah, yeah! Hoorah! Fuck yeah!
Fuck yeah! Woo, man!
Alright. Let's go to my loadouts. Okay. Next match. Let's get in a nice clean match from the beginning. Schultz and stuff, thank you for the $50 donation. Oh, you're the best. Thank you for the entertainment. Thank you for the very generous $50 donation. Mars is absolutely red. It looks like it's just something that's just floating right there in the sky. Not all the way light years away, but right there. Alright, I want to be the breacher. I want to get in. I want to get involved. Boom. Primary? No, hold on. Let's go.
Whoa, hey! Just a sec. Friendly fire! Friendly fire! What the fuck? Well, we good to go?
Let's go, let's go!
Negative!
How do we talk in game?
Hey, observer, come here! Okay, let's move!
Okay, let's go!
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
On the ground now!
Get involved!
Contact!
Please stop yelling.
Jeez, wow. I guess we're gonna play real serious. Okay. Well, okay, let's play real serious then.
No, we're playing fucking serious. God damn it.
That's fine. Okay, we'll play serious then.
Shut up.
I have an overlay of my last game on.
Like an overlay of your mom.
Oh!
Beauty, what a beauty!
Who here's got a ponytail?
I do.
I don't want to eat it. Sorry, boys.
That guy just got destroyed. Woo! Woo!
Station, this is Observer. Requesting explosive rounds here. Fire the guns, hit him hard. Got 30.
Observer, this is Station. Understood.
Damn it, sorry.
Come on, guys!
What an overlay. I can't. I don't know what an overlay and I can't see shit. Pin it down, boys!
Guy in the window. Guy in the window, right up top.
Whoa, they're in this building. Or they're coming.
This game already has vaulting.
It's like 6 months ahead of PUBG.
Fuck, no shit. They're off to a good
Oh,
start.
yeah.
Little choppy still, but
Wow, good job, guys. Good game. Fucking cheaters.
God, who's a sore loser? Who's a
Paradise
sore,
City.
pathetic loser?
Where the grass is green and the girls have titties.
Doctor Attachments. What the hell's going on? I don't know what's going on. We're trying to find out, though. Loadouts. What do you mean? Hey Doc, I was planning to buy 50,000 mouse pads and wallpaper my entire house inside out. Good idea? God, I love your thinking, man. I love it. Thank you for that. F Symbols, thank you for the $20. Says Dr. D, your violence, speed, and momentum, stunning jawline is surpassed by your gorgeous hair. You're easily the best personality on Twitch. Continue to snap them up. How about a marksman?
Are you ready? Grab your stuff.
We need backup over here! Enemy southwest!
You guys ready to have a good time or
What
what?
about you?
What's up, gamers?
No! Adrian! No, possible! Let's get over there!
yellow.
There's not mantle on that. Thank you. Guy's constantly breathing in my face. I guess you can't hold sprint down, huh? Guy around me. I can hear him.
We are losing D!
He was right below me. Well, there was one guy that was below me.
Securing C!
got to go. Okay. Look out! I'm throwing a grenade!
You can't lean to the right. You can lean to the left, though. Maybe my binding's all off.
Okay, let's stop getting...
Oh, cool, man.
I don't know the pace of this game. Like, should I be playing it way faster than this?
Okay, I'm
I gotta play. I gotta play.
Hey, we're taking C!
There we go.
Enemy!
Alright, dude.
Enemy! Enemy!
We're taking B!
I'm reloading!
There you go.
I need to reload! I'm going to reload! Enemy killed!
Sorry. Good night.
Good! We got this!
Go accept my goddamn request. Yeah, good job,
I already
guys.
have like 3
Woo!
friends, dude. I don't really need any more.
Ah. Bods.
I'm liking this sniper.
There was MVP.
Whoa, I'm mad. NHJ. 25 donated. Love it. What's up with these, thank you for the 25 gifted subs. Wow, wow, wow. Firm handshakes, Hamad. Pesky Alex, thank you for $3. He's a punk kid, that's why. Hamad, would you knock it off? VSync is hurting your FPS. Is it? Okay. I'll turn it off then. After this game, I'll turn it off because it is really choppy. I kind of like the look of this. Motion blur. Okay, so motion blur, turn off VSync and motion blur. Got it. I love the Champions Club feedback. I love it. We're waiting on the next game. In the meantime, follow me right now. We're waiting on the next game right now. The sniping has already started. A couple high-octane headshots, including a teammate. Who cares? Alright. Video. Resolution scale. Vertical sync off. Vertical sync is not... It was off anyways. Number 1. Motion blur off. Apply. Okay. Maybe we turn it on. Oh, it is on. So let's turn it off.
Let's go! Go, 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 go! Alright, yalla!
Long way.
Don't be shy, gentlemen. Let's get involved. Let this guy peek one more time. Oh!
I'm going. I need to reload. Hang on.
Yes! Great manling. Ooh, baby. Yeah, put in that heat. Put in the heat. It's very choppy. Vertical sync, field resolution. Maybe we scale that back a little bit or something, or I don't know. Foliage. Hold on. Yeah, scope quality.
Get moving. Enemy up ahead. Get ready.
Yikes.
Okay.
We need to get in this compound. I'm putting it on all low, just for the hell of it.
All right then, yalla.
Alright, hey! We're getting movement! We need to focus! Alright, I'm on A!
It's a little bit better. A little bit better.
Securing A! We're on A!
Would this guy stop breathing so much?
Hey, I'm on A!
Another point, we're capturing it.
It's so choppy that my ADS is like super slow or something.
Alright, I'm on A!
I might have to get dirty. We might have to put the sniper away. Your team is out of reinforcement waves. Damn. Doc, thank you for how you once discussed depression. You spared me from substance abuse. I owed you my life. Snap him up. Remember, the Doc does not lose sniper fights. I don't, man.
Keep back up!
My pizza's ready.
Good. Go get your pizza and go ahead and stuff your face with it.
Why did we have to bid?
Doctor, give kiss.
I think that this game has the same problem that like the past like Battlefield 3 and 4 and like all the others have. Like you have one team that fucking dominates and then
It's just let the long stretch. Deploy. Let's go. Let's go.
Everyone ready? Jazid?
Wait a minute. What happened to my one time?
Let's go!
Okay, ready.
Let's go, baby. This is much better. Kind of. We'll see. Jesus! And I didn't want... That's a one-time red dot? That was not a red dot.
Need an observer, come to me!
hey, what's the slow us fucking up?
Check your ammo. Intashiru, Intashiru.
Let's get involved, gentlemen.
Station, this is observer. Requesting explosive rounds here. Fire the guns, hit him hard.
Observer, this is station. Understood. Explosive rounds on the way.
RPG!
What the hell is going on? What's these explosions?
Hey, what's fucking up, my dude?
Not even looking at me!
On Alpha!
And that's not a one-time red dot.
Move!
They're on the cap, we gotta get in there.
Okay.
That is... I hate the look of it.
Yo, I'll be back. I'll be back, dude.
Uncover us!
Nice moves.
I'm reloading! I'm loading up, brother!
Pushing through the wheat field right now, a bunch of them.
Shit!
This guy just levitated through the ground and appeared to my right. You know what we might need? You know what we might need, ladies and gentlemen? Instead of a one-time red dot, how about a two-time red dot? You know what I mean? I felt like I could have used a little bit of range. It's pretty choppy. It's pretty choppy right now for me. I don't know if I have the right settings or if I'm doing something wrong. I've already alt-entered to try to get window full screen. I don't know what it is.
Okay.
Let's go, let's go!
Watch for enemy!
It's nice and clean right here.
Dr. Money. Push left and go by the fields. You can get him really good that way.
Yeah, let's do it then. Look at this guy. There you go, baby. There you go, baby.
Woo, just killed a ton of them.
Okay, hold on, I need to load. Super friendly fire! Friendly fire!
You can't see anything you say.
Fire explosive rounds on the...
Talking. You just got killed by a girl.
Get back.
Alex, thank you for $3. Putting your left shoe on your right foot in a hurry is a mistake. Grabbing the Diet Coke off the shelf when you wanted regular is a mistake. Frequently dominating the online gaming community. Absolutely amazing. Alex, thank you for the $3 donation. Wolf O's 2 months. Cake 7 months. Goose 3 months. And General Gilmore 13 months in the Champions Club. Games are too quick. Yeah, we're like in the load screen too much. But you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna leave the queue. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna go play a little competitive play, and we're gonna go. We are going to play 10 placement matches right now. Turn off foliage interactions. Okay. Okay, I guess no one's playing competitively. Everyone's scared to death. Juan Rouge, Cart, welcome. J-Bows, 17 months. Lagrosauce, 11 months. And General Gilmore, 13 months. Goose, 717, welcome back. 3 months in the Champions Club.
To the Champions Club. A champion has been committed.
Charlie secured! Losing Bravo!
By the time I get this all set up, it's like done with.
There's a guy here, Luna, or I can't read your name.
The name is Doctor.
I'm watching, right? Wow, that guy really sucks.
Don't be scared.
Scared. Someone protect me.
Just relax. Ooh, that
Protect me,
ADS.
Doc. I'm scared.
That ADS speed. That ADS speed, man. Aim sensitivity scale. We need to bump that back up to 66, maybe a little 66 on this bad boy. There we go. Then maybe a little 75 on that bad boy. There we go.
Cover me! I'm reloading! Frag out! Frag out! Cover me!
Get through! God dang it. Come on, man, what are you looking at?
FPS drop in this game is fucking rough.
Come on, yalla, yalla, we need to move, brother! Copy. Loading!
Some servers are better than others. Yeah, it's like as soon as I start firing, I'm dipping down to like 30 FPS. Yeah, it depends how I'm getting easier close to you as well.
It's almost as worse as getting your Jordans scuffed at a nightclub, you know what I mean?
We're losing Charlie! Yeah, we're securing Bravo!
Bali, thank you for the 5. This game is honest and merciful. Adapt. Okay. I'm playing like too fast. I'm putting myself in a position. Wow, this guy can move fast. That's weird.
Let's clean out Bravo quick. Head to C.
Man, I say we do a strong flank to C.
Okay, we took Bravo!
I'm just gonna protect our cash. Without that, we're kind of cashed.
Reloading! Get down! Get down!
Come on, man.
Securing Charlie!
Got you, Doc.
Nice shots.
Enemy taking Bravo! Charlie's clear! It's ours!
One in the river, one in the river.
Reloading weapon!
Dude, you can't, like, switch to your secondary.
Loading! Loading!
It's so... Okay, noted. Switching to weapons and reload and everything, a little funky.
Get up ahead! Get moving, Allah! Move here!
Okay, reloading.
Oh, do I not have a secondary equipped?
Guy inside.
I thought I had a secondary equipped.
See?
Have you guys noticed when someone dies, they turn black?
Taking Bravo!
Ya ikhwa, brothers, they need us!
Camp in the door up on top C.
Here we go!
Okay.
Okay, we got Bravo!
Players are really small. I'm having a hard time, like...
Enemy down.
Outside B.
Like, it's so, like, you can't reload if you're holding shift down. You can't reload while you're holding shift, while you're sprinting. We won, man. We won. Good games, gentlemen.
Disrespect, you
Hey.
a soft ass bitch.
Hey, yo, I'd love to just grab you and slap you, right?
Fuck you going through?
Hey,
Fuck you going
you're
through?
I'd grab you and slap you.
minded kid.
Yeah.
Vanilla Chill, welcome back. 2 months. God. You know that guy's gut is over his keyboard. You could just tell how heavy he's breathing, the way his voice sounds. Right? The tone of his voice, the nasally tone. Right? He still wears FUBU gear. You could just tell. Vanilla Chill, welcome back. 2 months. Iconic Legend, Premier Rao, welcome. Anelkri, welcome back. 20 months. Tahoe Beast, Tier 3 for 2 months. Bash Against Down, they give it the $5. When are we going to hear the harmonics again, Doc? Soon. What else do we? Trader of local folks who use exotic weapons. Whoa. Let's see what the exotic weapons are. The MK14? Ooh.
LVS.
Can I talk to our commander about fire support, please?
Let's get him, gentlemen. Hey, a nuclear facility. That's new. Never heard of that theme. Alright. God, I'm such a prick.
Observer, fire explosive rounds at this location. Over.
Observer, this is station. Status firing for effect.
Get ready, here it comes.
And the kick on it. The kick on it's crazy. Maybe we gotta go. Maybe we gotta throw something on it like a 2 time. Not gonna let me pick it? Is that. No? Can't. No, we're gonna exit that out and then go like that. Got it, right? Is that. Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay, maybe we switch over to a different class. And then we go back to that one class, the advisor class. And then we go back in here, and then we do the 2 dot. No? Can't accept it? No? 2 dot. Okay.
Okay, let's go.
Whoa.
Roger.
Whoa. Yeah, here we go. This is the new shooter game. You ready?
Reloading.
DrDisRespect.
The two-time back-to-back champion. Yeah, it's me.
Hell yeah.
The spot's clear.
Hey, why aren't you top of the squad, dude? Get the other.
Oh my god, he's
Wow.
Hey, Doc!
You guys suck!
Level 33, what the fuck?
Everyone ready?
Hey guys, let's have some fucking. Let's get this done this time.
Yeah, let's get this done and let's destroy!
Let's go, Doc! Let's get it done!
Hey, go, get moving!
Did they say YOLO as the round starts? Is that what they're saying?
Okay, let's attack hard here, yeah? If you're done.
Whoa. That's a realistic gun? Hold on, man. Can we get like a normal, like, rifleman, yes. Holy crap.
Shit, they're hanging out on the left when you walk leave that building on the left.
Jesus. Ahmad, MHG, thank you for the $20 donation. Says good night for him here. Have a good day, everyone. Can we get some big firm handshakes for Hamad? Gifting like 2,000 subs today. You better be back
Just put,
in the arena tomorrow.
I'm gonna push A, like, let's split up a little bit, yeah?
Yeah.
We're halfway through capturing it.
Hey, coming.
We're capturing it, but we're only halfway there. Think about it.
Artillery on A, artillery on A.
No.
Let's go.
Yeah, there's snipers watching the right side. Don't go over there.
Go through the left.
Go down.
I took down the sniper and then injured the other guy on the right side.
Oh, it's okay. Good job.
We gotta step it up, man. It's just so hard. Not used to. Well, I guess I should be used to unoptimized games.
Guys, I'm not on your team.
There's also a delay of like the teammates. Who's your teammate? Like it doesn't really like stay above them.
Come on, go, yalla!
Use the smoke, fellas.
I'm at B!
Wait, are we defending or are we attacking?
Attacking. We're attacking.
How come we have so many waves?
Because we really quickly.
Because I'm assuming defenders have the advantage.
That's not the question.
I'm at B!
This is how we do it. Dum. Stick to shooting, guys.
Drop.
Alright, boys.
Nice cap.
Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go.
I'm done with it. I'm done. Right? I'm done. Done with it. It's got potential. I like the idea, the concept, right? And everything. I like it. Just, I want it nice and clean, man. I want it nice and smooth. I feel like it's 15 frames per second. Everything's glitchy as hell. Like, I'm not going to put up with it. I'm not going to do it. Not for very long.